All right, round 3.
There's only a dozen more.
Here we go.
Oh, he's doing 2.
Oh, God! Look up! Look up! Oh! Nice!
Oh! I'm getting video.
I got shrapnel.
It's just a flesh wound.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was right.
Here we go. Ready? Ready?
Fire the hole.
Look up, everybody, look up. Oh, that's a way.
Oh, that's ready.
Hey, look. Hey, I'm a cowboy.
This one's yellow.
You're a cowboy.
Can't see nothing.
Get along, little doggy.
That's the last big one. There goes the one that tumble as they go up. Heads up. I want to see the
Wow. Whoa. I wouldn't be able to get it in time. It's like a delay.
Powerful neighbor. Right, you have to try and cook it early and see what happens.
I would have to try it.
We only get a couple tops down here. It's okay.
They can see it from them 32. Guaranteed. Just blow them all up before they get here.
Yeah, we only got.
Oh, they don't even come for his life.
Whoa.
Oh, pretty.
Nice.
This one is
That's gold. Gold.
Silver. That one said yellow on the package, though.
Silver and gold. Good job. Run in a circle like you were doing. Gold. Do that.
The last one's Camaro Twinkling, but that's in my hand. All right.
Ooh, Shelby, you're doing a good job.
Good one.
Hey, look at the end. Look at the
Oriental one, Camaro Twinkling.
Oh! Wow.
Right there.
That was
That's Black Cat brand, too.
Yeah, that one barely made it out of the tube.
Yeah, and that's Black Cat brand. That's a good brand.
Oh, yeah.
This one, that was supposed to be silver, too, and it looked like it was green, didn't it?
That's the only nail fish I've seen in all these
This one's the Oriental name, Camaro Twinkling. That's the last one.
Burned my retinas. I couldn't.
Something in there?
No, stop. Stop, you guys.
Something in there, Jeff?
Here it goes.
Here goes. Shelby, stand back now.
No, it's not going.